else, what happened?
Nothing, bro. I have lost my job in lockdown. I did various jobs like plumbing, furniture, and all. But due to lockdown, I am not getting any job, and now I am bankrupt.
So you are in need of money.
Yeah, I'm in the need of money. I can't find job. I tried in various places, but I can't find anything. I can't find a way because people are very scared.
Due to Corona or
Yeah,
COVID, yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So have you heard about Hire Them?
No, what's
Hire
what
Them
is
is
it?
an app for the workers and the customers. They directly link the customer to the workers. They want to do a job, and they work on a very reasonable price so that the customers can also get their work done in a reasonable price, and the workers also get paid directly without paying commission to the third party.
Oh, so I will get more money for doing the same work.
Yeah,
I don't know how to register. Can you help me to register in it?
yeah, I can help you that because if you register on that, whenever customer needed you, he will add you to the work list, and then you will get the notification about the work.
Okay, that's all.
I'm new to this city. Now, let's see how Hire Them can help me.
So this is the code of our app. Let's run it using NetBeans IDE. So this is the front page. Here we have two options to register for the app. First is customer, then service provider. We'll register as customer. Here, if we click on this button without filling any details, then the message window will pop up. Now let's enter the details. If you already have your account, then you can click here and log in. So like this, and here you can see in the database the details have been successfully added into this database. Now log into the app. So this is the homepage where you can find all the services provided by our team Hire Them. Let's click on the menu button. Here different options are available. This is for your history bookings. As you don't have any bookings, then this window is popping up. Now if you want to book a carpenter, then click on this. The list of all the available workers in your city will pop up. You can select one of them. Let's see this. These are the personal details of the worker you've selected. Now if you want to book this worker, and click on this, the message window will pop up. Then you have to provide us the address you want the worker to provide the service. Let's work. And here we go. Your first booking has successfully been created. Here, let's go to the details. Let's go to the coming soon section. Here you can see all the details of our future plans which we are planning to add later. So staff performer and subscription policy. Here is the settings page where you can change all the account details and password. Change the password. Current password is 12345. Now it is Arushi. Change. Here you can see password has been successfully changed. Now let's do this same for the account details also. Let's check. Here you can see all the details have been changed. So here is the help section where you can report any problem you're facing. So, we'll reach you soon. These are the details provided by Hire Them to contact us in case of any query. So lastly, this is the logout option.
Hello, you asked for the painter. I'm from Hire Them.
So you're from Haryana.
Yeah. So let's see the house and let's see what to paint.
Come.
Hope you like my work.
Yeah, I like your work and it was nice joining with Haryana.
Thank you.